画蛇添足. A long time ago, a group of friends had a jar of delicious wine. But there was just one problem. There wasn't enough wine for everyone. I know, one man said. Let's have a contest. We will all draw a snake on the ground. The person who finishes first gets to drink the whole jar of wine. Everyone agreed and started drawing in the dirt. One man was super fast. Scratch, scratch, scratch. He finished his snake in no time. He looked at the others and saw that they were still working. He felt very proud and thought, I'm so fast, I even have time to make my snake look better. I know, I'll give it 4 feet. But while he was drawing the feet, another man finished his snake. He quickly grabbed the jar and started drinking the wine. Hey! The first man cried, I finished first. The second man laughed and said, Snakes don't have feet. Why did you add them? By adding something that wasn't needed, you lost the prize. This is why the idiom 画蛇添足, which literally means drawing a snake and adding feet, is used to describe doing something unnecessary with no added value. In other words, the story tells us that more is not always better. 这个故事告诉我们，多不一定好。Let's review some key vocabulary from the story. 朋友，酒，比赛，画画，蛇，脚。